Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the IMO app on your mobile phone, either IMO or emo. So let's use emo. Okay, so over here, I'm using an Android phone, so it means I have to use my Google Play Store. But if you're using an iPhone, then you need to launch your Apple Store. So, okay, I'm heading over to Google Play Store. Where's Play Store? So Play Store, I'm just going to launch that. So from here, head over to the search bar, which is at the top corner of the screen. So punch the search bar, and in the search bar, I'm just going to type emo app and punch the search icon, and it takes me here. So this is imo or emo. So go ahead and click on that. I have already downloaded emo. That's why you can find the option uninstall and open. So let's say you want to download it and you want to install it and you're just new to installing. Instead of uninstall, you're going to see the install button right here. So rather than saying uninstall, you're just going to find the install button. So all you need to do is to click on the install button or to punch the install button. And once you do that, you're going to have to wait out. You have to wait a couple of seconds for the app to be downloaded. Now, that's dependent on the network, your network connection, if it's strong enough and if you have enough data. That determines the speed of the installation process. Okay, of the installing process. So once it's done installing, then it's going to show these two tabs, which include uninstall and open. So after installing, all you need to do is to just go ahead and click on open, and click on open. After clicking on open, that's going to now take you right into the emo application, which is here. So this is what the home page looks like. So launch at the Google Play Store, Apple Store, search for emo, and then click on install. Wait a couple of seconds for it to install, click on open, and it takes you right into the app. So it's that simple. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.